Now then everybody, quick look in the man cave. And I haven't done this for a while, but this is the DJI collection. We've got the Osmo Mobile 3, which is the combo. That's what I'm using to film this on. We've got a DJI Spark, which is a fly more combo, which is the first baby drone. We've got the DJI Mavic Pro, which is the only one that's got a sticker set on it, a vinyl wrap, I promise. That's a Mavic Pro, and that's a fly more combo for the Mavic. We've got the new addition to the stable, which is the Mavic Air 2. I always wanted a Mavic Air, never got a Mavic Air. Quite grateful that I never actually got a Mavic Air now, because this Mavic Air 2 quite simply and honestly wipes spots off the original Mavic Air. So we've got the Mavic Air 2 that arrived today. We got the Mavic 2 Pro, which we already had, and that's the fly more combo. Sorry, Mavic Air 2 is the fly more combo. The Mavic 2 Pro, which is the fly more combo, and the Beast, which is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Plus, or Pro Plus V2.0, however you want to word it. So we've got the big boy with the built-in display on the controller, and just because that's the new, I think you can see that charging, just can't see it on the screen, but that's it. That's the collection. So we've got the Phantom 4 Pro Fly More combo. I don't know if it actually came as a Fly More combo, but it is. It's got the 3 batteries and a charging hub, but I think they were added as extras. They were purchased afterwards. Mavic 2 Pro, which is a beast. They're both just phenomenal. 1-inch sensor, 60 frames a second, amazing. 1-inch sensor, 4K 30, still good. It's an amazing picture, amazing camera. That which has just blown my mind, £949 compared to, not double. The Mavic 2 Pro is not double the price of the Mavic Air 2. That was about £1,600. So the Mavic 2 Pro still, dare I say it, still the king. It's a beast. This is impressive. This is impressive out of the box. This is incredible. The Mavic Air 2. This is just like the daddy, or the granddaddy now, I suppose. That is amazing. And even that, I mean, that's fun and gives you incredible video out of the box. Incredible video. Only in 1080p. But video and pictures from that Spark, it's phenomenal for the size. The capabilities of it are fantastic. And this, which I bought that just as the lockdown started. I haven't done that much with it, so this is probably about the first thing I've used it for, other than getting to learn it a little bit. So that's the man cave. Hope you enjoyed it.